How to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. The first step is to long press the Instagram mobile app icon on the homepage of the phone. After that, a menu with several options will appear as you can see here. From the options that appear here, make sure you tap on the app info icon, which appears somewhere here. You will land on the app info icon where you will see different settings for the Instagram app. Next, scroll through them and then tap on this option here named Storage. On this page, there are two important options at the bottom of the screen. From those options, make sure you tap this option here named Clear Cache. That will then clear the app cache. This will ensure the app runs smoother, and also it removes corrupt files that may be causing errors on the app. After that, exit this section and open either the App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you are using, because the tutorial is the same on both Android and iOS devices. After that, search for Instagram and then check if the Instagram app needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get the latest updates and features on the app, such as the one you are looking for today. After that, make sure you open or launch the Instagram mobile application just as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app just like you can see here. From there, make sure you tap this option at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Instagram account. On this page, there are options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on the menu option. The menu is this option here with the hamburger symbol. This is the settings and activity page of Instagram. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section of the page where there are more options. From those options, make sure you tap this option here named Help. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, you will come to this page where there are more options under the Help section. From those options, make sure you tap this one named Report a Problem. After that, a new menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. From the options that are here, tap this one here. After that, this other page will appear where you are supposed to choose if you would like to include logs. I will choose not to, but the choice is yours. Finally, the feedback box will appear here. In this box, you are supposed to type a message asking the support team to fix the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them just like I'm doing here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos.